In this video, we will learn about three-way switch wiring connection using three two-way switches to control one bulb from three locations, full practical wiring, circuit, components used, A3 two-way switch, SPDT switches, A1 bulb, load. Step 1. Switch 1, wire connect L1 terminal switch. 2. Wire connect L2 terminal. Step 2. Switch 2, wire connect L1 terminal switch. 3. Wire connect L2 terminal. Step 3. Switch 1, wire connect L2 terminal switch. 2. Wire connect L1 terminal. Step 4. Switch 2, wire connect L2 terminal switch. 3. Wire connect L1 terminal. In phase connection complete. Now connection. Switch 1, common terminal wire connect to. Switch 2, common terminal blue wire. Bulb holder connection phase neutral wire red neutral wire black. Bulb holder phase wire connection switch 3, common terminal. And now man supply phase wire red and neutral wire black. Supply phase wire connection switch 1, common terminal. Supply neutral wire connection bulb holder neutral wire. Now connection complete. In testing now. In a three-way control, we use three two-way switches to turn ON, OFF. One bulb from three different locations, for example, bedroom door, bedside, and corridor. You can turn the bulb ON, OFF from any of the three switch. Like, share, subscribe a DK Technical 2M View channel.